Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we have an advanced hula warm-up. We're going to be doing the basics of the HELA, the KΑHOLO, and the KΑʻO, but also inserting the ʻAMI and KALΑKAUA. Now, if you'd like to review these steps or even learn them from the beginning, click up on the top right-hand side for the drop-down menu and you will see those videos there. Otherwise, if you're ready to do all of these steps with me, let's begin. Ma kau kau. Ho ma kau kau. Ready and HELA. KAHOLO. KAʻO. And ʻAMI. KAHOLO. KALΑKAUA. KAHOLO. And pow. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. If you enjoyed that hula warm-up, I encourage you to try and do it more than once, maybe 2 or 3 times. You'll also get a really good workout. I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and click that bell so you can get notifications when the next video is released. Until we see each other again next week for more hula, ahui ho, and aloha.